Hello guys, this is Moshumi and welcome back to my another makeup video. So after so many requests by you guys, I have finally come up with one brand makeup tutorial, and for that I have chosen a very affordable Indian brand which is NY Bay. I'm very much excited today as I will be using the NY Bay products for the very first time in my life. So yeah, I will be sharing my first impression with you guys also. So without wasting a minute, let's get into the video. First, I will start with NY Bay Pro Correcting Face Primer. They come in 3 different shades. Actually, these are the primers which work as color corrector as well. So the yellow one to cover up dullness or any discoloration on your face, and then the green one is to cover up any redness. And lastly, the orange one is to cover up any dark spots or dark circles on your face. This primer gives a matte finish, fills in the pores, best for acne prone skin and lightweight also. As I have a lot of dark spots and dark circles, so I have used the orange primer, and you guys can see clearly how beautifully it has worked. Very slightly it has covered up all the dark spots I have actually. For the foundation, I have used this Dewy Drops Liquid Foundation from NY Bay. By the way, the product links I have put down in the description box with all the shade details. You guys can check them out from there. I have purchased all these products from Purple this time during the recent day sale. And one more thing, I have chosen the shade online, so I think I have chosen one shade darker than my skin tone. At first, I thought this foundation might be thick, but honestly, it's very lightweight. And to get a full coverage look, I had to put 2 layers of it, and it has given a decent coverage, I believe. And I think this foundation is absolutely perfect for the teenagers as it feels very soft and lightweight on the skin and affordable also. I didn't order any concealer as I wanted to create this look with as minimum products as possible, so I have applied the same foundation under my eyes and on my eyelids as well. Now to set my base, I have used the translucent powder from NY Bay. It gives a matte finish look and revives the dull skin. So I have applied this loose powder all over my face as I think this one shade darker foundation is making my face looking slightly dull. So this powder did manage this, and the base is looking perfect now. Next, I have ordered these 2 9-in-1 eyeshadow palettes as they can be used for multiple purposes. So mixing these 2 shades, I will be contouring my face. I have taken very little product on my brush, but these eyeshadows are very pigmented, I must say. So you need to be very careful while using it for the first time. Take as minimal product as possible on your brush, and then taking your time, blend it properly without leaving any harsh line. So I have contoured my cheekbones, forehead, jawlines, nose and under my lower lip. For the blush, I have ordered these 2 shades as I love blush. You guys know that, but not because of that. I was actually little confused about the shades, how it will look actually, but I love both the shades when I received. I will be using this mauve shade today. It's super easy to blend. You need to take little product on the brush first and then build it up as it is very pigmented. You can use it as your eyeshadow also. It's not patchy and gives a lightweight, smooth finish to your face. And now I ordered 2 highlighters also, guys, as at first I thought I won't be ordering any eyeshadow palettes and will be creating my eye makeup using highlighter and blush only, but the eyeshadow palettes were so affordable that I bought 2 of them at last. And look at the highlighter, guys. I have taken literally a very little amount of it on the brush, but it's so freaking pigmented. And most importantly, it doesn't have any chunks and gives an intense finish to the face with a rich glow. I loved this highlighter, guys. So for the eyebrows, I didn't order any eyebrow product, rather I used this eyeshadow palette for filling in my eyebrows. So here is the proof why I always say that you don't need to buy multiple products to get complete your makeup look. So for the eye makeup, I will be using that same eyeshadow palette from NY Bay, and taking that brown eyeshadow, I will be applying it in my crease area and will be blending it into my skin. And next, taking that shimmery shade from the same palette, I will be applying it all over my eyelid. If you want to make it more pigmented, you can mix it up with your makeup fixer. And now I will be creating a winged liner, and for that I have ordered this matte liquid eyeliner from NY Bay in black shade, which is so rich in color and so matte that it stole my heart immediately after I used it. And it was super easy also to create the wing. Why didn't I get to know about this eyeliner before? Yeah, it is super amazing, guys. For the lower eyelid, I will be using that darker brown shade from another palette and will be applying it with the help of a pencil brush. Now to tightline my waterline, I will be using that kajal pencil from NY Bay, which is very pigmented and also provides very smooth application. And now lastly, for the lips, I have used this 5-in-1 NY Bay lipstick. One lipstick but provides 5 different shades, so I had to order this one. So applied this pink shade first and then outlined my lips using this purple shade, and that's it. So what say, guys, did you have fun watching this video? Let me know in the comment section, and also don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. And whoever is new here, please do take a moment and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you never miss any update from my channel. I hope I could help you guys even a little bit through this video, and also suggest me some topics for my next video which you guys would love to see on my channel. And see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.